Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story no internet connection error. So let's begin the video. As this is network issue, so to fix this issue what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings, and in the mobile settings you have to go to SIM cards and network settings. Once you are there, you have to turn off and on your mobile data again and again. After that, you have to go back and go to your mobile settings, and here you have to scroll down and search for the connection and sharing option, and here you have to search for the airplane mode. Now you have to turn it on and off, and once you turn it on and off, if your problem is related to network, then your problem will be resolved. Another fix is that you have to go to your main screen menu, and here you have to open your Play Store app, and in the Play Store app you have to search for the Instagram app. Now scroll down and go to the join beta option, and once you are there, your problem will be solved. But if this doesn't work for you, what you have to do is you have to update your app. For third method, go to your mobile setting, and here you have to search for the apps. Click on the Instagram app, and now click on the storage information, and once you are there, you have to clear the cache of the app. After that, you have to restart your phone. I hope that these methods will surely fix your issue. So this is how you can fix Instagram story no internet connection.